Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos Mexican step by step. Start by gathering fresh tortillas, chosen protein, aromatics, and toppings so you can cook without interruptions. Organize spices, knife, cutting board, and skillet in reachable spots. This setup saves time and keeps flavors consistent. I will guide you through seasoning meat, warming tortillas, building balanced tacos, and adding finishing touches that elevate every bite. Season your protein confidently and taste as you go for balanced heat and salt. Heat a skillet until it shimmers, then add oil and protein so it sears properly and develops caramelized flavor. Deglaze with a splash of broth or lime juice to capture brown bits. Cook until safe temperature and rest briefly, then shred or slice against the grain for tender, juicy taco fillings ready for assembly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great while you run taco errands or post-cooking road trips. It adds a surprisingly classy scent to your ride. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Now let's get back to the video. Warm tortillas so they bend without breaking and gain a touch of char. Place a portion of protein in the center, then add diced onion, chopped cilantro, and a bright squeeze of lime to cut richness. Finish with a spoonful of salsa or drizzle of crema for moisture and tang. Keep balance in mind so each bite offers texture, heat, acid, and savory notes that make tacos memorable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.